Let's see one example for the multi-pocket, how we use that. I'm selecting a center rectangle box. That's a huge one. Exit workbench. So first of all, we need material to remove anything. Here I'm giving 100. Reverse direction. Preview. Okay. Now I'm selecting this plane. Sketch. So here I'm giving number of options. This is the one sketch, first sketch. The another one is this is another sketch. Okay. This is another one, and final one. This see here how many sketches I selected. One rectangle, elongated hole, and a keyhole, and a circle. Now exit workbench. Here I am selecting multi pocket. So here first one, here I am removing 10 mm depth. Okay, now I am selecting second one. Here I am removing 30. Here I am selecting 50. Here I am selecting 60. Let's say preview. Okay, by using multi pocket option, we done one shape in single operation. This is the one of the use. Okay, like we can use the multi-pad, multi-pocket, whatever the options is there. Thanks for watching CATIA tutorials. Please subscribe channel, like the video, share the video.